today's video we are going to Tuerredda Beach in Sardinia, Italy. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our adventures. There's a lot more to come in the future. Welcome to Tuerredda Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches here in Sardinia. It's also called Spiaggia di Tuerredda. Before you come to Tuerredda Beach, you need to plan your beach visit quite carefully because it's a protected beach. That means there's only 1,100 daily visitors allowed. 729 are allowed to access the free beach, which means they can lay their towel and umbrellas wherever they prefer. And 371 will have to stay at one or two bathhouses located at the Spiaggia di Tuerredda. So plan everything very carefully before you go there. As most beaches in Sardinia, Tuerredda is most crowded in July and August, though in the recent years there has been a large influx of tourists in September too. Tuerredda is one of the most iconic beaches of the southern Sardinia, loved by tourists and locals alike, and is also voted to one of the most beautiful beaches in the whole of Europe. So this is definitely a place you have to visit once you come to Sardinia. Crystal clear water, white sands and beautiful views makes it the most beautiful beach at Sardinia, as you can see. Now let's take a quick look at the restaurant called Poseidon. It's located at the beach and has very easy access. By the way, you can also check the official website of Tuerredda Beach, where you can at all times check out how many seats are available at the beach and how many people are there. So you make sure that you plan your trip carefully. At Poseidon Restaurant you get Italian, seafood and Mediterranean food and all other Western food. Make sure you check the description for all the details, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. There's more coming from Sardinia.